EcoPackers is a Canadian-based green tech company, and we transform agricultural byproducts, or things you typically find in your farm, and we turn it into an alternative for traditional plastic inputs. So we create the resins that go directly to plastic manufacturers worldwide who create single-use plastics that are 100% compostable. There was a study that was released a few years back that stated that by 2050, there would be more plastic than fish in our oceans. That was the first statistic that our team saw while we were students at U of T, and we decided that we needed to figure out why. We decided to take flights to Asia and really start to do research on the plastic industry, which in Canada we weren't as familiar with. So it was then that we realized that manufacturers are willing to make the change as long as there's a product that works for them. I came from a business background, but U of T gave me the opportunity to explore my passion for environmental economics and science and find a way to bring two worlds together, which is hard, but U of T allows you to have that safe space to do those type of things and take risks early on.